Welcome to African Gardening. Today we're going to be doing some air layering on my Soursop tree. For those of you that do not know what air layering is all about, air layering is a method of plant propagation that allows you to turn stems of any tree, or for most trees, into new plants. So basically you carry out a process on the stem, and after a few weeks the stem starts bringing roots, and you can remove it, and then it turns into another plant. So the beautiful thing about air layering is that you do not need any other tree. The process is performed on the same tree, and also it allows you to propagate larger stems, and again it allows you to propagate multiple stems. So for example, on this Soursop tree, we're going to be air layering or propagating about 30 to 40 stems. So which means after a few weeks we can remove about 40 new plants from this tree. And for Soursop, it's not difficult. It's like most trees. Typically it takes about 4 weeks from the time you air layer to the time you start seeing roots. So 4 to 5 weeks you will get roots, and then you can remove the rooted stems. One of the greatest advantages of air layering is that air layering is natural cloning. What does that mean? It means that stem that you have air layered, it carries all the genetic characteristics of this parent tree. So if this Soursop tree has been producing very sweet and large size fruits, the same genetic characteristic will be transferred, or has been transferred, to that stem. This is a very big advantage. So it's a natural cloning. You are not using any kind of artificial chemicals to achieve this. As a matter of fact, for air layering, sometimes you need hormones. So for this air layering of Soursop, you do not need any hormone. You don't need any hormone at all. Right, keep watching while I show you the whole process with the results, of course. So you can see the results afterwards. You see all the new plants doing very well several weeks after the process. All right, so what you need, basically, you need a substrate. So our substrate here is a sawdust. You can also use a sphagnum moss coconut coir as well. We have sellotape, we have a nylon wrap, we have the foil paper, we have the rope, we have a knife and a scissors, and of course we have water. So these are the things we need. So we're just gonna quickly we'll prepare the sawdust and prepare the nylon wrap, just to put the sellotape on the edge, so that we will be able to make a proper seal. So it's very easy. You don't need much stuff. So let's prepare the sawdust now. All right, so there you go. We're going to prepare the sawdust right now. So ensure that the sawdust is not wet. So just put a little bit of water. Quick. Yeah, so just mix it. Make sure that your substrate is not soaked. If your substrate is soaked with water, you have to squeeze it out. But I prefer not to get it soaked. I just prefer just to add water little by little and get it moist. So that's what you need to do. So it's moist. A little bit more water. Just a little bit, sprinkle some water on it. So that's it. So you don't need much water. See? So our sawdust is ready. Sawdust is ready. Squeeze it. Let's see. Let's squeeze it. See? There's no water. Make sure there's no water there. There's no water. See? So our sawdust is ready. So that's ready. All right, so just we get the nylon wrap. So you cut it. I normally cut in the rectangle. So that's it. So just cut it like that. So you put it, divide into two. So that's the edge there.